Dear students, let's begin with the module 3 about the strategic human resource management. What is this module? Actually, this module is in the continuation of the introduction or the backstory of the field of strategic human resource management. But slightly it is different that we will talk about what is happening in the field of strategic human resource management in United Kingdom. Dear students, you may have realized that, or you will realize later on that most of the research in the field of strategic human resource management is dominated by the research from United States and the United Kingdom. However, sometimes they are conflicting and sometimes they are offering some different insights about the subject. So that's why I have included the backstory slash WERS. We will see what is WERS. So likewise Sisson. So Sisson actually, what we talked in the previous module is what is happening in the field of, or what was happening in the field of strategic human resource management dominantly in the United States. Now likewise Sisson 1995 recorded similar conclusion that there was a little impact of human resource professionals in organization performance. This is similar to what was happening in the United States. However, using data from the well-regarded workplace employment survey, so this is workplace employment relations survey, is one of the widely used and a very large database, and this data was gathered by the United States and they continuously update the data. So that is the secondary data that exists, and researchers from the different fields including HR, marketing and other professionals or other researchers, they take that data and they see what is happening in the organizations and what is happening in the different organizations, small organizations or large organizations, and in the different fields like strategic human resource management. तो WERS क्या है? WERS वर्क एम्प्लॉयमेंट रिलेशंस सर्वे है. ये एक डेटा है जो कि यूनाइटेड किंगडम में जो है एग्जिस्ट करता है, और जो यूनाइटेड किंगडम की गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं वो ये डेटा कलेक्ट करती हैं, और they update also. This is not one time data they have collected. So Sisson is data, using this data they have also concluded that or he updated the analysis from little impact to partial impact. तो बहुत सारे सालों के बाद जब सिस्टन ने दोबारा उस डेटा को रिवाइज किया तो उसके जो व्यूज़ थे कि व्हाट इज़ द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ HR in organization performance was little impact to partial impact. का मतलब ये है कि कोई ख़ास फ़र्क लास्ट 10 ईयर्स में या 20 ईयर्स में वो नहीं देखने में आया कि किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की परफॉर्मेंस में या आउटकम में HR की कंट्रीब्यूशन ज़्यादा हुई है या बेहतर हुई है. So externalization of the function to outsource suppliers had not occurring to a significant extent during this period. They also found that कि outsourcing भी HR की जो है इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हुई during this period. The HR professionals they were in the organizations, और उसी में ही जितना भी रोल है HR का वो एम्प्लॉइज़ जो HR के एम्प्लॉइज़ हैं they were performing rather than outsourcing. So basically जो outsourcing का phenomena है ये it happened actually in the later stages rather than in the early stage of 1980s. Caldwell 2003 also noted the ongoing ambiguities and uncertainties in the role of personnel management or HR. Personnel, I hope you people understand, personnel is related to, or personnel refers to employees of an organization. It is slightly different from personal, or very different from personal rather, I would say. Personnel means the employees of an organization. So Caldwell also noted the same thing. So later the new approach was greater focus on strategy. तो कुछ अरसे के बाद जो है वो HRM से बात जो है वो आगे बढ़ी और we were talking about, or HR professionals or researchers were talking about the strategic role of HR rather than the simple management of human resource. So when we talk about the strategic human resource management, so we talk about two things: horizontal fit and the vertical fit. This is where the difference lies in what is the strategic human resource management and what is human resource management. So when we talk about horizontal fit, we means that कि जितने भी HR के functions हैं, for example recruitment है, selection है, hiring है, firing है, तो ये जो सारे functions हैं ये horizontal हैं. There is a alignment in between them. ऐसा ना हो कि आप बहुत ही हाई क्लास या हाईली क्वालिफाइड एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपकी जो रिवार्ड है दैट इज़ आल्सो फंक्शन ऑफ HR, वो बहुत कम आप दे रहे हैं. तो इट मीन्स दैट हॉरिजॉन्टल फिट नहीं है. एंड ए टाइटर वर्टिकल इंटीग्रेशन सो दैट एज ए होल दीज एलिमेंट्स अलाइन विथ. वर्टिकल इंटीग्रेशन मीन्स आपके रिक्रूटमेंट, सिलेक्शन, हायरिंग, फायरिंग, ट्रेनिंग, जितना भी कुछ है दैट इज़ अलाइंड विद द बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इन अदर वर्ड्स, जो HR की स्ट्रेटजी है और जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की स्ट्रेटजी है, बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजी, दैट इज अलाइंड. So this is vertical integration. So this ambitious mission for SHRM requires appropriate competencies and appropriate organizational arrangements. तो जो क्रक्स है आज इस मॉड्यूल का वो ये है कि जो पिछली रिसर्च 10-20 साल में हुई उसके बाद जो कंसिडर किया जाता है कि जो स्ट्रेटेजिक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट है इट इवॉल्व्ड ओवर इन द लास्ट 10 years और ओवर द लास्ट 1 decade. और इसका जो मकसद है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल इंटीग्रेशन. सो द लेटेस्ट ऑफिशियल WERS सर्वे, द 6th सर्वे, आप इसको नंबर देखें, WERS की आप वेबसाइट पे जाएं और विजिट करके आप देखें तो आपको सर्वे के बहुत सारा डेटा मिलेगा. तो ये 6th सर्वे है. द ऑथर्स रिपोर्ट लिटिल एविडेंस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंगली दे स्टिल अंटिल 2010 और 2011, जैसे मैंने कहा कि लास्ट डेकेड में ये हुआ, तो until 2011 they found that there is a little evidence of a strategic role. What is the strategic role? Let me repeat it again. Horizontal fit and vertical fit of the HR domain or HR task or HR functions with the business. Let me conclude that in the USA too, there have been some sober assessments. Same तरह का conclusion आपको USA की रिसर्च में भी मिलेगा, USA की टेक्स्ट बुक्स में भी मिलेगा कि स्ट्रेटेजिक नेचर और स्ट्रेटेजिक कंट्रीब्यूशन वाज फाउंड वेरी लिटिल with a little impact on the organizational performance. Most infamous was the extended essay, Why We Hate HR. Do we really hate HR in the organizations? So this was the very famous article published in 2005. तो उसका मकसद यही था HR is actually not contributing. So anyway, Lawler 2005, Baker and Husseler 2006 reached at a similar conclusion that the strategic contribution of the HR is little to no impact until 2000 or 2005. This is just a little backstory, or this is just a little history of how the field of SHRM evolved over the period of 10 years or 30 years. Thank you.